Kung plano mong sumampa ng barko, isa sa pinaka-importanting requirement ay medical exam. Pero ano nga bang mga test na kasama dito? Saan ito ginagawa at magkano ang dapat mong ihanda? Alamin natin yan dito sa video na ito. Ano ang Seafarer Medical Exam? Ang medical exam ay bahagi ng pre-employment requirements para sa lahat ng seafarers. Layunin nito ay tiyakin na physically and mentally fit ka para sa trabaho sa barko. Tinatawag rin itong PEME or Pre-Employment Medical Examination, Fit to Work Medical at Maritime Medical Exam. Narito ang karaniwang test na kasama sa Seafarer Medical. First, physical examination to check your height, weight, blood pressure, and vision test. Second, chest x-ray para i-check ang lungs mo for TB o iba pang kondisyon. Third, urinalysis para makita kung may infection or problema sa kidney. Fourth, fecalysis to check for parasites or infection. Fifth, complete blood count or CBC para sa kondisyon ng dugo. Sixth, blood chemistry to check your sugar, cholesterol, liver, and kidney function. 7. HIV and hepatitis test. 8. Psychological test or mental health test. 9. Dental checkup. 10. Audiometry or hearing test. 11. ECG para i-check ang kondisyon ng puso. At last, yung eye test to check kung colorblind ka. Take note, depende sa cruise line or principal kung may additional test tulad ng drug test, pregnancy test, at vaccination. Saan ginagawa ang medical? Ang medical exam ay kailangan gawin sa accredited clinics ng Department of Health or DOH at Maritime Industry Authority or Marina. Here's are the list ng mga clinic sa Pilipinas. First, Supercare Medical Services. Second, Clinica Manila. Third, Nautica Maritime Medical Center. Fourth, AMEC Medical Clinic. And fifth, Pasay City General Hospital, Seafarer Medical. Para sa mga papasok sa cruise line tulad ng Royal Caribbean, Norwegian at Carnival, may specific accredited clinics na required ang agency. Magkano ang medical exam? Ang presyo ng medical exam ay depende sa clinic at sa shipping agency. Pero karaniwan, umaabot ito ng 3,000 to 6,000 pesos. Agency-sponsored o minsan sagot ng manning agency. Pero kung ikaw ang magbabayad, siguraduming alam mo kung saan ka accredited. Ang medical exam ay first step sa pagtupad na pangarap mong makasampa ng barko. Kaya siguraduhin ready ka physically, mentally, at financially. The journey to becoming a seafarer is never easy. There are endless documents, long training days, and sometimes unexpected setbacks, like failing your medical exam. But always remember this, every delay is not a denial. Sometimes it's just a pause for a better beginning. So hold on, seafarer. With every challenge, you're one step closer to your ship. And one day soon, it will be your name they call, your uniform they hand over, and your dream that finally comes true. Subscribe for more stories, more guidance, and more inspiration, because your journey at sea is just beginning.